just finished assembling my Eggtimer Quark, so now I'm going to test it using the syringe test that I've documented in other videos in more details, but briefly I've hooked up some incandescent mini lights in place of the E-matches. I'm going to go ahead and put the battery on, and that's the initial beep. And I'm going to stuff it into, that's it's beeping out the last altitude, which was just the default, I believe, in this case. And I wanted a more detail on the other calculations, but basically what I'm going to do is take it from 450 to 500 cc's, which is just about 2,800 feet. But first I have to wait for the Eggtimer to arm itself. Let me turn on this light so we can see. Okay, so now it's armed. I'm going to put my finger over the hole, try as hard as I can to go to 500. And so it should be launching. Hit 500. And let it go. So that would be the apogee charge. And I go down. And then that's the main chute coming out. So I'm gonna call that a success. In a few seconds it'll beep out the altitude, and I'll check that, but won't leave you hanging here. Okay, well, it started. 1, 3, that was 10, so it was 0. So 3, 0, 3, 0, 2. Didn't actually catch that, but I think it was about 7. So 3,027, which is pretty close. I actually calculated about 2,800 feet. So I'm going to call that a pass.